Guys, be ready. 5 seconds. Start. The appointment of a stranger as passenger superintendent is a disappointment to the local candidates for the position. There is a rumor of a demonstration of protest against what have been called the monstrous method of the administration in this matter. There is, however, great danger in a form of remonstrance that may provoke a dangerous outburst in place of the present contentment, and with great respect to the leader, we fail to see any prospect of their attaining their object if they demonstrate in the way suggested. It is always the unexpected and unsuspected contingency that is likely to happen, and we expect the present emergency will prove no exception to the rule. The introduction of a policy of obstruction or destruction, or even of interference with reasonable jurisdiction, may be productive of discontentment all round. It is to be hoped every means will be fought for the attainment of the objective. Parachange, we fear there is no prospect of success for those who raise objection to the appointment, and quite irrespective of the merits of the respective parties, we would urge the abandonment of obstructive measures and the entertainment of the suggested resort to threats. Further enlightenment is necessary if matters are to proceed smoothly henceforward. It is pleasant to turn from this subject to the attraction of the countryside, where there are numerous objects of entertainment and instruction for all who care to look for them. The jerry builder has not yet begun his destructive work, and the monstrous things which he calls architecture, but which cause disappointment and grief to the genuine architect, have not yet appeared to ruin the prospect. The unspoiled beauty of nature still remains to compel our respectful admiration and to remonstrate in silence against those whose object is to make money even though it involve the destruction of the most glorious prospect. Thank you guys.